Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. If you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning member, welcome back. And if you're a new member, could you please share, like, and smash that subscribe button? It helps other people know when they post videos. Well, today, one of our meals for carnivore today, we're going to be making one of my absolutely favorites. We're going to be making beef Angus steak. You can see there's a lot of great marble in it because we're doing carnivore this week. And it's bone in, according to this, is 1.32 pounds, and I paid $12.99. It was $12.99 a pound, and the total price was $17.15 for the meat. And so what I want to do with this is I'm going to weigh it up on the gram scale because I'm supposed to be eating 64 ounces of meat every day according to my macros for my carnivore to be successful in losing weight. And it's not so much the losing weight factor, it's just to get my gut and my psoriasis back in check. So we're going to wrap this up in bacon and package a little wet, but it's been thawing out. But this is the bacon we're going to be using. It's regular Market Basket brand hickory smoked bacon. It's gluten free and it's perfectly fine for what we want it for. And it's so what we're going to do is we're going to take the bacon, we're going to score the steak, and then I'm going to season it really well with salt, and then I'm going to wrap the bacon around it, and I'm going to pop that baby in the air fryer. Oh, probably for about 20-30 minutes. At the halfway point, we'll flip it until it's nice and crunchy and dark on the top and cooked thoroughly all the way through. And then I'm going to make a little buttery sauce, and then later on today, if I'm still hungry, I'll have some eggs and some sausages. And I bought the links this time from the Banquet family, a package of 50, and they're already pre-cooked, but they're frozen. You can just take them out, pop them in the air fryer or the oven, or even the microwave for that matter. But we're going to do everything in the air fryer today, and that's going to be our meal for today. And hopefully we'll have a successful day, which I know we are, and just letting you know everything is going good. But yeah, so don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Love you guys. Remember, I love you. God loves you. Have an amazing day. Okay, so this is the steak I was referring to. So now I'm going to cut it open. We're going to pat it dry, and then I'm going to weigh it up on the gram scale. Okay, so we're going to mark that down. According to what that says, it 587 grams. So what we'll do is we'll weigh that up now at 587 grams, or well, 588, 587, we'll call it 587. And then when we're done eating it, we'll measure out what the bone weighs up, and then afterwards we'll deduct the total, and it give us the amount of beef that we're eating today. Pat the steak a little bit dry. And I got plenty of paper towels in the back room. I'm prepping everything in the back room. Let's see. Don't be afraid to season your meat. We're doing carnivore, and we want to make sure we got plenty of salt. This is the pink Himalayan salt. I do, guys, is I just you can see this nice big piece of meat that it's going to give it a really good flavor. I just cut it a little bit with the knife. Because what will happen, be careful not to cut yourself, and also I crisscross it a little bit because the juices are going to flow right into that from the bacon. And I like my meat well done, by the way. This is probably going to take about 20 or 30 minutes to cook. Okay, now let's get the bacon open. Just wrap it up like this, just like a blanket. Much easier. Couple more, I do it for this. See what I'm doing? I'm just kind of like making a roll of the bacon. Just take the meat, makes it something like that, and maybe go like this probably. Just fold over the bacon. A lot easier doing it this way. So there you have our bacon wrapped steak. Now let's get that baby into the air fryer, get that going on 400 for about 20-30 minutes, and then we'll flip it to halfway point. At this point, once you get it going, other than just flipping it, that's all you really need to do in the air fryer. See, we got about 16 minutes left, so let's check out the steak and see how it's progressing. It's coming along really nicely. We got about 4 minutes left here. Let's check on it and see. We might be ready to pop out now. I would say, what do you guys think? I think it's pretty much done, but I'm going to put a little bit of butter on it and melt it, and then I'm going to plate it, and we'll come back in the back room and talk about it. Okay guys, well, welcome back. As you can see, our steak is done. And put a little slab of butter on it to give it a little more protein. And the bacon is fully cooked. The steak is fully cooked the way I like it. And bacon is nice and crunchy. Take it out. See, check the bacon out. Check that out. Comes off easy. See how it cuts. Pretty thick piece of steak, but it took about 25 minutes to cook. The steak is really flavorful and tender, and just the way I like it. You pull out the bacon and eat the bacon the way it is. So anyways, I'm going to enjoy my steak. And I got some electrolytes I'm drinking right now. And I'll weigh up the bone afterwards when I'm done eating my steak. Figure out what the exact total was for the grams that I'm eating for today. According to my calculations, I can have 907 grams of protein. And this comes up to 430 grams, I believe. Something like that. I got it all figured out. And I'll have the correct total over timeline. Again, that's with the bone, so we're going to subtract the total of the bone after we're done that and weigh it up. Anyways, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Remember, I love you, God loves you. Have an amazing day.